Beasts of burden, getting to know heavy vehicles. We're talking big rigs, dump trucks, cranes, bulldozers, the heavy hitters of the vehicle world. These beasts are the backbone of construction, hauling, and countless other industries. They're built to work, and they're built tough. But with all that power comes a whole lot of responsibility. Think about it. A fully loaded dump truck can weigh as much as 80,000 pounds. That's like 20 elephants on wheels. Now imagine that much mass moving at speed. You get the picture. Things can get messy real quick. That's why understanding heavy vehicle safety is crucial, whether you're behind the wheel or just sharing the road. Welcome to Nirvana Safety as we dissect into the world of heavy vehicles. Please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more safety videos. Now, what do you understand by the term heavy vehicles? These vehicles aren't just big, they're complex. Multiple axles, articulated joints, oversized loads. It's a lot to handle. And it takes a skilled operator to do it safely. These guys and gals are the unsung heroes of the road, maneuvering these behemoths with precision and care. So, the next time you see a heavy vehicle on the job, take a second to appreciate the skill and responsibility it takes to operate one safely. And remember, whether you're a seasoned operator or just a regular Joe sharing the road, safety should always be the top priority. Big wheels, bigger risks, understanding the dangers. Let's be real, heavy vehicles present unique risks. Their size alone makes them less maneuverable than your average car. Stopping distances are longer, blind spots are massive, and the potential for damage in an accident is significant. We're talking about a whole different ballgame when it comes to momentum. Imagine trying to stop a train versus a bicycle. That's the difference in force we're dealing with. And those blind spots? Let's just say if you can't see the driver's face in their side mirror, they probably can't see you. Then there's the nature of the work itself. Construction sites, mines, logging areas. These are challenging environments, even for the most experienced operators. Uneven terrain, tight spaces, and unpredictable weather conditions all add to the risk factor. The bottom line is, heavy vehicle safety is not something to be taken lightly. It's about understanding the risks, respecting the power of these machines, and taking every precaution to prevent accidents. Because when it comes to heavy vehicles, a little bit of caution goes a long way. Road rules for giants, heavy vehicle safety on the move. Sharing the road with heavy vehicles requires extra vigilance. Here's the deal: keep your distance. Those massive rigs need extra space to brake and maneuver. Tailgating is a recipe for disaster. And remember those blind spots we talked about? Avoid hanging out beside a heavy vehicle. If you can't see the driver, they can't see you. When a truck's signaling a turn, give them plenty of room. Those turns can be wide, and you don't want to get squeezed. Passing a heavy vehicle on a two-lane road? Make sure you have ample space and visibility. Don't cut them off after passing either. Give them a wide berth. Remember, patience is key when sharing the road with heavy vehicles. A little bit of understanding and respect can go a long way in preventing accidents. Section 4 Site Safety for Steel Titans, preventing accidents where it matters. Work sites are like the Wild West for heavy vehicles. Lots of activity, tight spaces, and potential hazards everywhere. Safety is paramount, and it starts with a well-maintained vehicle. Pre-operation checks are crucial. Brakes, lights, tires, everything needs to be in tip-top shape. And don't forget about site-specific safety requirements. High visibility gear, spotters, and communication protocols are essential for preventing accidents. Operators need to be aware of their surroundings at all times. Pedestrians, other vehicles, overhead power lines. It's a lot to keep track of. That's why communication is key. Whether it's hand signals, two-way radios, or just plain old yelling, everyone on site needs to be on the same page. And remember, fatigue is a killer. Operators need to be well rested and alert. Taking breaks and rotating tasks can help prevent accidents caused by fatigue. Section 5, the final word, heavy vehicle safety, a shared responsibility. At the end of the day, heavy vehicle safety is everybody's business. We all have a role to play, whether we're behind the wheel of a big rig or just trying to get home safely after a long day. For operators, it's about respecting the power of these machines, staying alert, and never cutting corners when it comes to safety. For other motorists, it's about giving heavy vehicles the space they need, being aware of their limitations, and practicing patience, especially in challenging driving conditions. And for everyone, it's about remembering that safety is a team effort. By looking out for each other, communicating effectively, and prioritizing safety above all else, we can make our roads and work sites safer for everyone. Let's face it, accidents happen. But by taking the right precautions and making safety a top priority, we can minimize the risks and prevent tragedies. Remember, it's not just about getting the job done, it's about getting it done safely. So let's work together to keep those big wheels turning without incident. Thank you for watching Nirvana Safety. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and well, catch you on the next one.